Hi, my name is Andy Trevan, and welcome to the Drone College. I'm the head of training here at Drone College, and thanks for stopping by. Just thought I'd tell you a few things about the Drone College. We're a CAA authorised training company to enable people to get their PFCO, that's their permission for commercial operations. So anybody who wants to fly professionally and earn money out of flying drones can come to us. We've got a number of different courses that we offer to enable people to do it. We can work around your lifestyle. For instance, we can do online training coming in September, or there's a course that allows you to come and do 2 days ground school with us. And do you know what? A lot of people want to learn like that because face-to-face training with industry experts, and that's what we are. We are all working professionally in the drone industry, as well as with having backgrounds of professional aviation, military aviation, some of my trainers too. So you get an awful lot, you gain a huge amount from coming and being with us face to face for a couple of days. But some people prefer online training, and we totally understand that. So from September we're offering that as an option. And just to say, maybe you want to do it full time. A lot of people are changing careers completely and becoming professional drone pilots. Some others just want to do it for filming weddings and roof surveys and inspections and things like that, and just earn a bit of money around their existing lifestyle. And that's great. You know, there's lots of different places and lots of different ways that you can earn money flying drones now. So have a look at our website, check out some of our courses there, and by all means, look, give us a call. 0800 669 6400 is the number. It's free. Just give us a shout. You come through to me, and I'd absolutely love to talk through more about drone flying professionally with you and where you might fit in, and any of our courses. I guarantee I can answer just about any question on the subject. I'm an industry expert myself. Back in the winter, I was asked to chair 2 national drone conferences in London, and that's the sort of level of expertise that we have here at Drone College that some outfits don't necessarily have. So if you fancy a bit of that and you just want to ask some questions and find out a bit more about us, please just give me a call. I'd be absolutely delighted to talk to you. All the best.